The quantum entanglement of this fledgling has bonded itself with our interloper Chuck the dog. Through space and time, he unites the universe with a touch. For without life, the universe means nothing. It exists, but no one cares. For reality to have meaning, it requires at least one morphon to appreciate what it provides. In this tiny world of the dog and bird, one top-tier predator, one feeder species, both a small section of an infinite whole. The dog and the bird intertwined in a dance with the planet. Not individuals, but joined together as a living mass. A single cell cannot make the heartbeat function, just as Earth's creatures combined to form a living planet. What we are observing on this stage is the real caretakers of this planet. The dog does not deviate from its intended function and suddenly decide it will take more than it needs at the expense of others. It heals the wild, moving and recycling its building materials, providing balance to the system. We can take a moment to observe Chuck interact with one of nature's constructions that has not made it past beta testing. So much potential that didn't have a chance to experience what the world had to offer. It is so difficult to produce just one tiny bird and complete its cycle. Yet all around us exists successful life. This dog here knows the earth provides in abundance for its inhabitants, but can't quite grasp the hugeness of what is here with him. As we experience with Chuck, maybe we all can expand into the wisdom vibes of this space to not feel so small.